You're sitting on your living room floor after a long day. Your dog quietly walks toward you, resting beside your feet without making a single sound. You gently reach down to stroke that familiar head. Everything feels peaceful until you notice a small movement that seems slightly different than usual today. Maybe your dog scoots across the carpet for only a second. Maybe there is a strange smell that quickly disappears before you understand it. Most people would simply continue their day without thinking twice. After all, little moments often seem too ordinary to carry any deeper meaning. But your dog lives inside those quiet moments every single day. Tiny changes often become the only language available when something feels uncomfortable or unusual. Your dog cannot tell you where something hurts. Instead, every small movement becomes another gentle message, waiting patiently for someone loving enough to notice it. That simple truth changes everything. Caring for your dog is not only about food, walks, or bedtime cuddles. Sometimes love quietly looks like careful observation. You may wonder whether you are worrying too much. Many caring owners feel exactly the same before discovering that small signs often deserve calm attention. There is another beautiful lesson hidden inside these everyday moments. Most owners never notice it until their relationship with their dog grows even deeper. Your dog trusts you with every quiet breath taken inside your home. That trust grows stronger whenever you respond with patience instead of confusion or fear. If gentle stories like these help you understand your dog a little better, consider subscribing and joining future conversations about the quiet language dogs share every day. Imagine your dog following you into the kitchen without asking for anything. Sometimes staying close simply means your presence feels safer than any comfortable place nearby. Dogs naturally hide discomfort better than people expect. In the wild, showing weakness could create danger. So many small problems remain hidden surprisingly well. That is why little behaviors deserve gentle attention instead of panic. Your dog is not trying to create trouble. Your dog is quietly asking for understanding. One behavior that often surprises owners is frequent licking beneath the tail. Another is scooting across the floor after using the bathroom or resting. These signs sometimes point toward full anal glands. They're two tiny sacs located beside your dog's back end, working silently during normal bowel movements. Most healthy dogs never need extra help because those glands empty naturally. When everything works properly, neither you nor your dog even notices they exist. Sometimes life becomes slightly different. Those tiny glands may stay full instead of emptying completely, creating pressure that feels strange or uncomfortable for your dog. Science explains this very simply.
When something feels uncomfortable,
Your dog's body naturally changes movement long before obvious pain becomes easy for anyone to recognize. Instead of speaking with words, your dog begins communicating through actions. Small movements become quiet clues that help loving owners understand what cannot be spoken aloud. But that is only part of the story. The way you respond during these moments matters just as much as recognizing the signs themselves. Calm hands, slow movements, and a peaceful voice help your dog feel protected. Every gentle experience teaches that your care brings comfort instead of fear or uncertainty. There is one important difference every owner should understand before trying any home care. Knowing when to help yourself and when to visit your veterinarian protects both safety and trust. Because in the next part, you will discover how to recognize that important difference with confidence. Keeping your dog comfortable while protecting the beautiful bond you share together. Before you think about helping your dog at home, begin with something much simpler. Watch how your dog walks, sits, rests, and behaves during an ordinary day. Healthy dogs usually move naturally without paying much attention to their back end. Comfortable movement often tells you everything is working exactly as nature intended. If your dog suddenly scoots across the floor once after a bowel movement, it may not always mean there is a serious problem immediately. But repeated scooting over several days deserves gentle attention. Your dog is trying to reduce pressure the only way that body naturally understands. The same thing happens when your dog keeps licking beneath the tail more often than usual. Small actions quietly become messages instead of random habits. Science explains this very simply. Pressure inside full anal glands creates irritation, and your dog naturally tries to ease that uncomfortable feeling without understanding why. Instead of becoming worried, become curious. Calm observation helps you notice patterns that a rushed mind often misses during busy everyday life. There is another important clue many owners overlook completely. Pay attention after your dog finishes using the bathroom during regular daily walks. Healthy bowel movements naturally press against the tiny glands, helping them empty without extra care. Firm stools usually support this process much better than soft ones. That simple fact reminds you how closely everyday health is connected. Good nutrition quietly supports many parts of your dog's body that you rarely think about. But that's only part of the story. Your dog's comfort also depends on feeling emotionally safe while you check anything unusual around the body. Choose a peaceful moment inside your home. Avoid checking your dog after exciting playtime or when visitors create noise and distractions around the house. Speak softly while gently touching different parts of your dog's body. Calm handling during ordinary days prepares your dog for future health checks without creating unnecessary fear. Dogs remember feelings more than events. If every gentle touch feels safe today, tomorrow's care routine becomes much easier for both of you. There is one behavior that changes everything. Watch your dog's face while you calmly touch around the hips and lower back. Relaxed eyes, slow breathing, and a loose body usually show comfort. Pulling away, tensing muscles, or showing pain tells you to slow down immediately. Never force your dog to stay still during any home care. Trust always grows faster when your dog feels respected instead of controlled. Sometimes your dog simply needs a short break before trying again. Even one peaceful minute can completely change the experience for both of you. If your dog cries, snaps, shows swelling, bleeding, or a wound near the area, stop immediately and contact your veterinarian instead of continuing. Dawn care is only appropriate for dogs without severe pain or obvious infection. Gentle observation helps you recognize when professional medical care is the safer choice. Most owners never notice that confidence is contagious. When you stay calm, your dog often begins relaxing because your emotions quietly influence the entire experience. Take slow breaths before touching your dog. Your relaxed body language becomes another silent message saying, everything is safe and nothing scary is happening. Soon you will understand how simple preparation makes every step easier. The right environment, gentle timing, and patient handling create the foundation before any actual gland expression begins. Because in the next part, you will discover how trust, routine, body language, and careful preparation work together before a single gentle movement ever takes place. Now your attention shifts from noticing signs to building trust. Every successful care routine begins long before your hands ever reach your dog's back end. Choose a quiet room where your dog already feels relaxed. Familiar surroundings reduce stress because dogs naturally connect safe places with peaceful emotions and calm experiences. Place a soft towel beneath your dog if needed. Comfortable footing helps your dog remain steady while also creating a gentle feeling of security. Speak using the same calm voice you use before bedtime. Dogs recognize familiar tones faster than they understand individual words or complicated commands. Watch your dog's body before making any movement. Loose muscles, relaxed ears, and soft eyes usually tell you your dog feels safe beside you. If your dog becomes nervous, pause without frustration. Short break often protects trust better than finishing a routine too quickly or forcefully. Dogs remember emotional experiences for a long time. One gentle health check today can make every future check much easier and far less stressful. That is why patience becomes one of the greatest gifts you can offer. Your calm behavior quietly teaches your dog that nothing frightening is happening. Most owners never notice how much breathing matters. Slow breathing naturally relaxes your body, and your dog often responds by relaxing beside you as well. There is another beautiful lesson hidden here. Trust grows through hundreds of peaceful moments, instead of one perfect healthcare routine completed successfully. As your dog stands comfortably, gently lift the tail only as much as needed. Move slowly and avoid sudden motions that could create unnecessary surprise. If your dog shifts position, allow that movement naturally. Giving small choices helps your dog feel respected instead of trapped during unfamiliar situations. Simple science explains why this works so well. When fear becomes smaller, muscles relax naturally, making gentle handling easier for both you and your dog. If your veterinarian has shown you the proper technique, follow those instructions carefully. Never guess or force anything that feels confusing or uncomfortable. Use clean gloves and keep soft paper towels nearby before beginning. Preparing everything first helps the entire experience stay calm without unnecessary interruptions. During the process, continue watching your dog's face more than your hands. Facial expressions often reveal comfort or stress before any sound appears. If your dog suddenly cries, pulls away sharply, or shows strong pain, stop immediately. Those reactions deserve professional veterinary care instead of continued home treatment. Sometimes the kindest decision is knowing when not to continue. Choosing safety over confidence is another quiet way of protecting your faithful companion. After everything is finished, gently praise your dog with a calm smile. Soft encouragement helps replace uncertainty with comfort inside your dog's memory. Offer fresh water, quiet affection, or a favorite healthy treat afterward. Small rewards help your dog connect gentle care with positive everyday experiences. There is one behavior that changes everything after the routine ends. Your dog may relax deeply because uncomfortable pressure has finally become much lighter. Watching your dog walk comfortably again can become an emotional moment. Small improvements often remind you how meaningful simple acts of care truly become. But the deepest lesson reaches far beyond physical comfort. Every patient moment quietly tells your dog that home is the safest place to face difficult days. In the final part, you will discover why these ordinary moments create extraordinary bonds, and why your gentle presence often becomes your dog's greatest source of healing. Your dog probably will not remember every single health check, but your dog will always remember how safe and loved those quiet moments made life feel. Every caring routine becomes another chapter inside your shared story. Small acts of kindness slowly become the strongest foundation for lifelong trust and companionship together. When you notice tiny changes early, you are doing much more than solving a simple problem. You are proving your dog never faces discomfort completely alone. That quiet promise means everything to a loyal heart. Your dog depends on your eyes, your patience, and your willingness to notice ordinary moments. Love rarely arrives through dramatic events. More often, it appears while brushing soft fur, cleaning muddy paws, or checking something that feels slightly unusual. Those everyday routines slowly become the language your dog understands best. Gentle hands and calm voices often communicate safety better than any spoken sentence ever could. Most owners believe happiness comes from exciting adventures. Dogs certainly enjoy those moments, yet lasting happiness often grows inside peaceful daily routines at home. A familiar schedule helps your dog feel secure every morning and every evening. Predictable care creates confidence because tomorrow feels safe before it even arrives. There is another beautiful truth hidden inside this journey. Your dog never measures love by perfection, only by your steady presence through every season. Some days bring playful energy and endless excitement. Other days simply ask for quiet patience, while your dog needs a little extra comfort and understanding. Those quieter days often strengthen your bond the most. Gentle care during uncomfortable moments creates memories your dog carries long after physical discomfort disappears. Completely. Simple science supports this beautiful connection. Dogs naturally build stronger trust when caring experiences remain calm, predictable, and free from unnecessary fear or stress. That means every peaceful health check becomes another opportunity. You are protecting physical comfort while also strengthening emotional security inside your dog's everyday life. If home care ever feels uncertain, choosing professional veterinary help is never a failure. Wise decisions always place your dog's safety before personal confidence. Your dog does not judge your choices. Your faithful companion simply feels grateful whenever someone trustworthy protects health with kindness and thoughtful attention. As the days continue, you may notice your dog resting more peacefully. Comfortable movement, relaxed body language, and brighter eyes quietly tell their own beautiful story. Those simple improvements often bring unexpected happiness into your own heart. Watching your dog feel comfortable again reminds you why gentle care always matters. Home becomes much more than walls and furniture. Home becomes the place where fear becomes smaller and trust quietly grows stronger every single day. Family is built through thousands of ordinary moments shared together. Every walk, every meal, every gentle touch adds another invisible thread to your lasting connection. Do. One day your dog may rest quietly beside your chair again. Nothing remarkable appears to happen, yet everything feels wonderfully peaceful between both of you. That peaceful silence carries a powerful message. Your dog feels safe enough to simply exist beside the person who has always chosen patience over hurry. Perhaps that has been the greatest lesson all along. Caring for your dog's health is never only about the body, but also about protecting the heart. The smallest moments often become the ones remembered forever. A calm touch today may quietly become another reason your dog trusts you completely tomorrow. Thank you for sharing these peaceful moments together. If this gentle journey helped you understand your dog more deeply, subscribe and continue celebrating the quiet language of love shared every day.